Good morning, children. You are learning GK. Today you will do classwork in your book, so be ready with your book and pencil. Before starting the class, I want to tell you, listen carefully, that you have written all the word meanings till now from the beginning in your classwork copy. So learn those word meanings, all the word meanings what you have written in your classwork copy, and all the short question answers, one line question answers you will learn from your classwork copy. So children, learn all the word meanings and the very short question answers, one line question answers from your classwork copy. Now start the classwork. Open page number 19. Monumental. Write CW, write today's date. Today we will do two pages, page number 19 and page number 21. So write it quickly. Monumental. There are a number of beautiful and significant monuments in the world for many years. These monuments have been admired for the structure, architecture, and history associated with them. Let's see how well you can identify them. Use the description for help. See, some pictures are given here in your book. Regarding these monuments, these answers. So number 1, a freestanding bell tower located in the city of Pisa, Italy, and known worldwide for its unintended tilt to one side. Tilt means slanting. This tower is slanting at one side. So this is called Leaning Tower of Pisa. Leaning, leaning, Tower, Tower of Pisa, Pisa, Pisa. Leaning Tower of Pisa. Number 2. The tallest structure in Paris. This iron tower has become both a cultural icon of France and one of the most recognizable structure in the world. This is Eiffel Tower. Eiffel, Eiffel, Tower, Tower. This is Eiffel Tower. Number 3. A gift to the United States from the people of France. This statue is an icon of freedom of the United States. This is a gift that was given from the people of France to the people of United States, the Statue of Liberty. This is the Statue of Liberty. Statue, Statue of Liberty, Liberty. Statue of Liberty. Number 4. Located in China, it is the largest construction ever done by human hands. It was built more than 2000 years ago. This is the Great Wall of China. This is the Great Wall of China. The length was 6,000 kilometers. The Great Wall of China. GREAT, Great, WALL, Wall of CHINA, China. Number 5. This multicolored cathedral is one of Moscow's most visited tourist attraction. This is a church in Red Square in Moscow, Russia. The name is St. Basil's Cathedral. ST, full stop, St. BASIL apostrophe comma S, Basil's Cathedral. CATHEDRAL, Cathedral. Saint Basil's Cathedral. So from page 19, you got these answers. Now, come to page 21. Famous world personalities. These are the pictures of some famous persons here. We'll have to identify and we will know about them. Many famous people shaped the world with their skills at art, politics or religion. Write the names of these famous personalities. Here is it is in the fill in the blanks form. So children, you will write, and some are missing also some words, so you will write that also. First one, Dash was a famous artist and intellectual born in 1452. In the year 1452, he was born. He was a famous artist and intellectual. What is his name? Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo, 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 da Vinci, 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 Leonardo da Vinci. Was born in 1452 in Italy. In Italy. Italy, Italy. Second one, Dash was a German leader of the Reformation born in 1483. The name is Martin Luther. Martin, M-A-R-T-I-N, Martin, L-U-T-H-E-R, Luther, Martin Luther. He was a German leader. See the third one. Dash was born in 1815. He was a German statesman and first chancellor. Otto von Bismarck. Write in the gap. Otto von Bismarck. O-T-T-O. Otto. V-O-N. Von. B-I-S-M-A-R-C-K. Bismarck. Otto von Bismarck. Come to number 4. Dash was born in 1533. She was the English queen and daughter of Henry VIII and died in 1603. Queen Elizabeth I. Queen, Queen, Elizabeth, Elizabeth -1. Queen Elizabeth I. This is the answer. Number 5. Dash was Queen of Great Britain and its colonies. Answer is Queen Victoria. Queen, 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 Victoria, Victoria, Queen Victoria. She was the Queen of Great Britain and its colonies. Number 6. Dash was a great philosopher from Athens and son of a sculptor. He was born in 469. Children, some confusion is here. So both are correct. 469 or 470. You can write like this also. 469, give a oblique and write 470. There is a confusion. So both dates we get 469 oblique 470 BC in Athens. So answer is Socrates. S-O-C-R-A-T-E-S, Socrates. S-O-C-R-A-T-E-S, Socrates. Number 7. Dash was a famous English dramatist and poet. He was a famous English dramatist and poet. Name is Shakespeare. 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 Some famous works of him, what he wrote, are Hamlet, Macbeth, Othello, etc. Next one is number 8. Dash was a, right here, Russian lawyer, revolutionary, politician and founder of Soviet Union. Answer is Vladimir Lenin. Vladimir, Vladimir, Lenin, Lenin, Vladimir Lenin. He was a Russian lawyer, revolutionary, politician and founder of Soviet Union. Number 9. Dash was an English politician and Prime Minister of the United Kingdom. Right here, of the United Kingdom. Answer is Winston Churchill. Winston, Winston, Churchill, Churchill, Winston Churchill. He was an English politician and Prime Minister of the United Kingdom. So children, today you did these 2 pages, page number 19 and 21. So learn the spellings and from the book you will learn the classwork. Till then, bye bye.